Aloha, I'm Nicholas Jordan Moore. Today, I'm going to give you 10 life hacks to help you live a happier life. Even if you only implement one or two of these into your daily life, I promise you'll see a difference. Each one of these life hacks can greatly impact how you feel throughout the day. If you'd like to hear me go more in depth about each one of these subjects, check out the video links in the description below. Number 1. Start and end each day with gratitude. It's important to give gratitude all throughout the day, but waking up and going to sleep with an attitude of gratitude can greatly increase your amount of happiness throughout the day. If you have trouble finding things to be grateful for, start with the little things. If you're watching this video, you likely have a roof over your head, food to eat, and all 5 of your senses. That alone is a ton to be grateful for. Number 2, stop caring about what other people think, including your parents. In order for us to live our most authentic lives and to tap into deeper levels of happiness, we have to stop caring about what other people think about us. And oftentimes our parents' opinion can be the most difficult for us to let go of, but it can also be the most impactful. Number 3, change your focus. There's all sorts of negative things going on in the world around us. Focus on the positive in the world, and your inner world will begin to reflect your perception. Number 4, use body language to hack your brain. Reading other people's body language is intuitive, but did you know your own body language actually affects the chemistry in your brain? It's true. It's been proven that standing tall, making yourself big, and putting your arms up in the air can lower the stress hormone cortisol and give you a boost of testosterone to increase your confidence. Practice standing tall, tilting your head back, and putting your hands in the air throughout the day to find more happiness and less stress in your life. Number 5, smile and laugh as much as possible. Just like with body language, your brain doesn't know the difference between a fake laugh and a fake smile versus real ones. Studies have been shown that even sticking a pencil in your mouth and forcing a smile can actually make you feel happier. Life can be difficult, and we don't always feel the best. If you want to give your brain and emotional body a little help, try giving yourself a fake laugh or a fake smile to give yourself a little mental health boost. Before I get to number 6, if you're finding value in this video and you want to see more like it, do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. And now, on to number 6. Be kind and don't judge. The way we interact with the world around us is a reflection of how we treat our inner selves. The more harsh we are with our opinions of others, the more harsh we tend to be with ourselves. Most of us have a hurt or broken inner child. Instead of judging other people, try to find compassion for the confused child inside of everyone. Doing this will lead to happier and more peaceful days. People do dumb things. Love them anyway. Number 7, flip the script on life's difficulties. If we live long enough, it's inevitable that we'll experience tragedies. Whether it be losing a loved one, losing a job, or experiencing a difficult medical ailment, tough things are bound to happen. The way we choose to frame these tragedies makes all the difference. Every difficult thing that we experience in life is to help us become more empathetic, stronger, and resilient people. It can be difficult to see the light in the midst of a storm, but try to remind yourself that everything is happening for you and not to you. Number 8, enter the flow state daily. For at least 5 minutes a day, try to get out of your head and into your body. This can be accomplished in a variety of ways, whether it be painting or drawing, playing a sport, meditating, or playing an instrument. It's important that we give our minds a rest and get into the flow. For at least 5 minutes a day, disconnect from the outside world and get into your body. Number 9, practice self-empathy and forgiveness. Doing things we aren't proud of and doing silly things is part of the human experience. We all make mistakes. Judging ourselves for being human only leads to more suffering. If you only implement one of these life hacks, I hope it's this one. Even if you forget to do 9 out of the 10 things on this list, The most important thing is to not judge yourself for where you're at. The fact that you're watching this video shows that you're on the right track, and you should be proud of that. The human experience can be confusing and difficult. The next time you start beating yourself up about something, try to remember that nobody has it figured out. You did your best, and next time you'll do better. Last but not least, number 10. Love the person in the mirror. This one can feel difficult at first, but you've got to fake it till you make it. Just like the body language and the smiling, your brain doesn't know the difference. As much as you can, try to look at yourself in the eyes in the mirror at least once a day and tell yourself, "You're doing great, I love you." It doesn't have to be aloud at first. Just start by saying it mentally. And with time, it'll become easier. It might feel like you're lying to yourself at first, but with practice, you'll begin to start feeling more peace, happiness, and love within yourself. I'm Nicholas Jordan Moore, reminding you that you're worthy of abundance, love, and happiness. Until next time.